Part 5. The Money Machine. That number is $100,000. Before reaching it, you are mostly pushing the snowball yourself. You save, you invest, you make sacrifices. And sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. But as the snowball gets bigger, it begins collecting more snow on its own. Money can work the same way. Your first $10,000, your first $50,000 mostly comes from your own effort. But once your investments grow large enough, their returns can begin creating even more returns. That's the power of compound growth. Charlie Munger famously described the first $100,000 as one of the hardest financial milestones to reach. After that, your money can begin participating more meaningfully in its own growth. Imagine investing $100,000. A 7% return would mean roughly $7,000 of growth in a year, without working thousands of extra hours for it. Then the next year, your money can potentially grow on a larger amount. And over time, the snowball gets bigger. This is why wealthy people can appear to get richer faster. They don't necessarily work harder. They simply have more money working for them. Most people think, I work, then I get paid. But wealthy people increasingly experience, my money works, then I get paid. And that's why their financial lives begin to look so similar. Stocks, businesses, real estate, long-term investments. But one question remained. What allowed them to keep investing for decades while everyone else kept spending? Because the real secret isn't the investment. It's the system that made them invest in the first place. And that's the one thing almost every wealthy person owns.